Hi everyone, so we're back with an update on our crochet along project. I actually shot a fourth video which was showing how I ended or meant to end the bag, and then I changed my mind. So before I go ahead and show you where I am with the project now, let me show you what I shot for supposedly the fourth video, finishing the bag, but I wasn't happy about it. Here. and I could have stopped there, but I felt like it wasn't quite the shape I wanted. So yes, I undid the handle, and I'm now stitching rows of 26 so that the handle would be more or less this thick. So my issue was that I didn't like how thick the handle was. I thought it was maybe short by an inch or so. So instead of it being just like this, I'm working to have it like this. And so the knot will hopefully be better. And I also had an idea of how I could do it so there was no, I would say, there was a better stitching on this side. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to finish the handle to the knot, but I will make sure that the connection from this side can somehow be hidden by the knot. So once I've done the handle as I want it, I will reshoot the video and I will show you what I want to do. But I think you have a very good idea now of how I want the bag to look based on the picture that I have shown and or the previous video. And here you can see I'm working towards the other end. So I just decided today, a week after I shot the 4th video, that not quite happy with how that came out. So watch out for the next update. In the meantime, I'm going to stitch around 20 inches of this based on the previous handle, and we'll come back with a fit.